Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and we're going to take this little sign from the Dollar Tree Plus for $3 and give it a little bit of a coastal makeover for an outdoor decoration for Easter. I love how this turned out. I just removed the hanger from the back because we're going to make it a standing sign, and I also took the little bow off the neck here, just a matter of kind of trying to remove the hot glue there with a little bit of heat. It already says hop on in. Mine just needed a little bit of a touch up, but I thought that was a perfect saying for Easter and for coastal, right? I just wanted to add some beachy touches to this. So we're also going to remove the little fluffy tail on this, and we're going to replace it with something coastal. I thought one of these little Dollar Tree sand dollars would be perfect. I actually just got some of these shipped to store because Shore Living is coming within the week, I've heard. So exciting. I love that. Now for the ear, I thought it would be fun to do like the inside of the ear, the one that you would be able to see with these little tiny seashells from the Dollar Tree. These come in those little glass bottles, and what I have found to work best for shells to go outside is the Dollar Tree tacky glue. I'm just going to kind of paint it on exactly where it needs to be. On the ear, and this is really white, but it dries clear and it's really strong. I attached these little tiny seashells to a like an anchor wreath that I made and had it outside forever in Florida weather, and it held up really well. All the shells stayed in place. So as you can see, I made it nice and thick so I can just sit the shells down in there and just trying to fill it up all the way. I'm going to start the drying process with my heat gun, but it's always best to let this kind of sit flat overnight. Now, instead of it had a little ribbon around the neck before, we're going to attach something more coastal using the Dollar Tree white nautical rope. I think that's going to be perfect. Just a matter of simply cutting a piece and tying it around the neck. Now I have a little table next to my front door, and that's where I am making this little outdoor coastal Easter sign for. I absolutely love it for $3. It was a great starter piece. For the base, I'm going to use one of the little Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards that will hold up well in weather. If it gets wet or whatever, that should be fine. And then to help glue it on, I'm going to use just a wood block. This is one of the giant Jenga blocks from Five Below. I love these. I get these every year. I'm going to use a combination of Dollar Tree wood glue and hot glue. So it'll set up quickly, but hopefully be a little bit stronger. And I'm going to do that to attach the sign to, because it's a thick sign for Dollar Tree, but it's still not quite thick enough to not need a brace on the back like that. And how easy was that? I think it turned out so cute. I love the little seashells on the bunny ear, a fun little touch, and it looks so cute next to my door for Easter. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Until then, happy crafting.